What's good, everybody? Good morning. It is December 9th, Vlogmas Day 9 that we're about to get started. But before we do that, DJ, spin that. So as you can see, we got the beanie going. Hoping to get a haircut today. I need to get this touched up. Probably gonna do a low drop fade if my boy's got some time today, but hopefully he does. But before I actually get to the haircut portion of the day, there's something I wanted to do, a little mod to the JRLs. Not that they're not cutting right, not that they're not doing their job, not that they're some of the heaviest hitting clippers in the game, not that they already tossed out the blurriest of fades. Just something I wanted to try. I have a barber, one of my old barbers from when I lived on the East Coast in Delaware. He told me about a little mod he did with the magic clip blade. So he threw the magic clip blade on the JRL and he said it's super smooth. So I can't imagine how much more smooth the clipper could actually get. So I'm gonna go and toss that JRL or the magic clip blade on the JRL, and we're gonna see how it hits. My brother is my first client of the day, so let's get to it. So let's throw it on the JRLs, and I'll show you how it cuts with my brother. The cutting blade here, you can see the staggered teeth. So we're gonna take our JRLs and take the blade off here. I'm over here trying to look at the screwdriver through the camera lens instead of actually looking at the camera or the actual blade. But pop that off here. Pretty dope magnetic screwdriver that comes with the JRLs. Oh, that's dirty. Clean the inside of this out. All right, for the most part, got most of the hair out. Gonna pop this back on there. On this side, there's a little hole right there. That pops back in. And then we're gonna go ahead and throw on the staggered tooth Wahl blade. It fits right in there. So you can see the staggered teeth. And then we're gonna throw on our stationary blade. And we're just gonna go ahead and screw this back in. So I ended up keeping the stationary JRL blade on there just to see how it works with that. But we do have the staggered tooth Wahl blade on there. You can see it's not, zero gap, but it is close enough to where I can get a smooth transition from my trimmer to the clipper. So we're gonna see how this pans out and see how it works, and I'll let y'all see the haircut. Before we do that, let's get a little sound test. So that is what we're looking like right now. And I'll show you how it cuts. All right, so we got the JRL clipper with the magic clip blade, staggered tooth Wahl blade, and then the JRL stationary blade. So we'll see how it cuts. I'm just gonna record a little panel of hair so you guys can see what it cuts like. Cuts pretty close. The thing about the staggered tooth blade is that I always notice that it has a smoother blend to it than most clipper blades. but we'll see. We'll see what this end product looks like. What's up, bro? We don't do that around here. Is it not working yet? Turn it off and turn it on and let it boot for a second. So just a quick run through. That's what we're looking like right here. More so focusing on this portion of the haircut. This back portion, there's a lot of dips and stuff, so I'll work those out as I go. But on this section is what we're working with the most. I didn't even know it was illegal to like crossbreed some certain species. Yeah. For the most part, everybody watching this, I think that I do like this staggered tooth blade and the JRL clipper with the JRL stationary blade. It's getting me a smooth blend. I like that. Nothing against the JRLs, but it's like not a smooth blend, but it's a softer blend, if that makes sense. It kind of just flows together a lot more. But so if you got a JRL, swap that cutting blade to a staggered tooth, and you'll see a difference, because that's what the fade is looking like right now. But we're gonna finish the haircut and let y'all see the end product. So here is the blend. Here is the blend. Nice and blurry. Came out very well. Shout out to my old barber for plugging me up with the idea. But there's the cut. So I finally got my lever fixed. I was out of commission for like 3 weeks. But shout out to my boy Carlos's client. He's the one that hooked it up. Gang, gang. Oh, we gotta focus that. Executive Barbershop. You know the vibes. Let's see that apron.
Shout out BARBERSHOP.
Yo, is this Jaime?
Jaime.
He's also an undercover cop.
Always carrying.
I'm always under the covers too.
He's always got them guns. He's always got them guns.
He's always carrying something.
Uh-oh. It's not even Friday.
It's hump day today.
How long did it take you to get tattoos, X?
Shit, it took me. I mean, crap. It took me 26 years, buddy, and now I don't want to stop. Shout out my boy Vincent, the GOAT.
You gotta stat though. Boy's addicted to the ink.
Hey. Something from my son right here, you know what I'm saying?
Anyways, we're gonna get to this day. And hopefully I could get a haircut myself. Looking a little rough. Waiting for my barber to get here, but he's sleeping in today, I guess. But yeah, we'll see what the day brings. Morning, sunshine. Hey. Hey, you got some drool in your beard, bro. Yeah, or
I'm starting to get worried about you. Look at the fucking mullet. That bad head on the mullet and everything.
you just got out of bed, bro. No, you didn't. Look at that turn.
Must be nice.
Bro.
Damn, bro.
So Sergio was late to work today, and then he was late to my haircut appointment.
What isn't Sergio late to?
What's Sergio not late for?
What is he on time for?
Never, nothing. He's never early,
Never on time.
except with his wife. I don't want a haircut, bro. I just want a fade on the side and an edge up.
Bro, we don't have time to do 2 haircuts today, so you gotta decide quick.
I did do 2 haircuts last week, bro.
No, bro, you a picky Cardo, bro.
Sorry, excuse me.
He was mad about you being late. But how many times did he reschedule you last week?
Bro, I never rescheduled last week.
Yeah, he was. I remember it was
When?
a slow day. It was a cloudy day, and you were like after this movie. I remember early in the morning you told him.
Oh,
2
yeah,
PM,
yeah. You're right.
2 p.m. Kevin,
You're right.
2:30
No, you're
Kevin,
right, no.
3 p.m. Kevin.
I forgot about
I didn't get a
that.
haircut till like 5,
Yeah,
man.
bro, I think, and then you rescheduled you from the day before. But he's mad today because you're late. How many minutes?
Like 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
16 minutes. 18 minutes
and I
late.
brought you something to drink.
Hey, all right, we'll shave off 3 minutes for that drink.
It's gotta be at least 5 for the drink, bro.
We got a Marine in the house. It looks like his haircut is way out of regs, but we won't go there.
What kind of cake?
The Asian sensation going ham.
Check out them glasses.
Check out the spectacles though. You borrow those from your auntie?
Is that?
Did you borrow those from your auntie?
Yeah.
Sergio. Looking like a chia pet. I'm not about to be a chia pet. Time to get a haircut.
What kind of haircut?
Oh, and just Jaime. That sounds like a sitcom. Just Jaime. This Wednesday at 7 p.m.
So we just had a little accident. Sergio's always doing something. Oh crap. Oh god, just put it on. Oh god. What happened, Sergio?
Honestly, I don't know.
It's the trimmer's fault, right?
No, it was my shaver.
The shavers, bro.
Oh, it's the shaver's fault, not Sergio's fault.
Yeah, Nico moved. Wait, do they hurt?
Nice, Sergio. Dang, man, you looking swole over there.
Didn't
See?
pour that whole bag on your
Do you
shirt,
flex
bro.
while you cut?
Nah.
Bro, you're flexing so hard right now, man. Look at me, bro. He's flexing. Look at him. God.
Quit flexing, man.
That boy Sergio be getting me right. Even though it took him an hour and 37 minutes to do a low fade. It's nice. Look at that. Woo! Thank you, Sergio.
You're welcome.
I like that. I like that. What did you say about that last one? You didn't know if it was gonna be a. Oh wait, you didn't know if it was gonna be a, like a, or. Then you just get into the awkward like, and then like you get the half jump like. No, you don't want to hug.
I mean, it's tough, you know, sometimes the clients want to hug you and you're just kind of, you know, social distancing, you know, and sometimes you're just like, bring it in, and they're like, stop you at the shoulder. I hate when they do that to me. If you're watching this and you're one of my clients and you do that to me, be ready to get cut off.
And then they got those big boys that they just grab you in. You have no like
Oh, shit, Matrix.
Debo and who is it? Who do you do that to?
No, it was
Money Mike.
Downstairs, you know.
That was like the Matrix. Whew, that's some testosterone problem.
Like, yeah, Debo did the Money Mike. Yeah.
Terry Crews, the Money Mike.
What did he say? What did he say? He said,
He said something like a Matrix.
oh, it's like the Matrix.
Dislocated my shoulder, player.
End of the day, you know the vibes.
You know the mother effing vibes.
Win here. It's what time is it? 6:12. Closing the shop. Still got my boy Sergio cutting. Still one waiting, but we're gonna close it up here. Hope everybody enjoyed the vlog today. If you're not subscribed to the channel, what they gotta do?
Subscribe,
like, comment. And we gotta get this boy a channel.
Soon, guys.
Soon, God willing. Sergio, say bye.
See y'all later. You guys have a good night.
Already, y'all keep it a buck. Until next time, God bless.